Stop making the biggest mistake when buying premium noise-canceling headphones in 2026. If you're a beginner to this world, diving headfirst into specs and audiophile jargon will lead you straight to buyer's remorse. I've tested every single top-tier model, lived with them, traveled with them, and figured out exactly which ones truly deliver the best experience for someone just starting their journey into premium audio. And trust me, it's not always the one you think. In fact, the number one pick for beginners this year might surprise you because it prioritizes one thing above all else that other brands often overlook. It's the Bose QuietComfort Ultra, and we'll get to why it's the undisputed champion in just a bit. But before we crown our king, let's start with number 5 on our list, a pair that screams luxury and sound quality, maybe a bit less about the beginner aspect right out of the box. Coming in at number 5, we have the stunning Bowers and Wilkins Px8. These headphones are for the beginner who cares about one thing above all else: pure, unadulterated sound fidelity wrapped in a truly luxurious package. The build quality here is simply unmatched, with premium materials that feel incredible to the touch. The sound profile is rich, detailed, and incredibly engaging, making your favorite tracks sound brand new. If you're coming from basic earbuds and want a noticeable leap in audio quality with an executive look, these are for you. But, and this is where the beginner might stumble, while the noise cancelling is decent, it doesn't quite stand up to the best on this list, meaning you might still hear a little more of the world around you than you'd expect at this price. From luxury sound, we move to a different kind of luxury: seamless ecosystem integration. But it comes with a particular catch. If you're not an Apple person, you might want to fast forward. At number 4, we have the Apple AirPods Max. Now, if you live and breathe the Apple ecosystem, these are a no-brainer. Their active noise cancellation is simply phenomenal, rivaling anything else out there, and the spatial audio feature can be genuinely immersive for movies and music. They pair instantly with your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, switching between devices like magic. For an Apple user taking their first step into premium headphones, the ease of use is almost addictive. However, for a beginner, their biggest drawback can be their weight. They are noticeably heavier than other options, which can lead to fatigue during long listening sessions, and they don't fold down, making them less portable in a backpack. Stepping away from Apple's walled garden, our next contender is an absolute battery beast that delivers a fantastic all-around package, though it asks for a tiny bit more effort up front. The number 3 spot goes to the Sennheiser Momentum for wireless. These headphones are a fantastic all-rounder for any beginner looking for incredible value. What sets them apart immediately is their absolutely insane battery life. We're talking 60 hours on a single charge. You can forget about charging them for days, even weeks, depending on your usage. The sound is rich, warm, and inviting, and the comfort is excellent for long listening sessions. They provide a great balance of features and performance without breaking the bank quite as much as some others. The one thing that might trip up a beginner though is the touch controls. While intuitive once learned, they can sometimes be a bit finicky or respond unexpectedly until you get used to their specific gestures. Now, if you want the absolute cutting edge in noise-canceling tech and smart features, our next pick delivers, but it makes a slight compromise on portability. At number 2, we have the Sony WH-1000XM5. For years, Sony has been at the forefront of noise cancellation, and the XM5s continue that legacy with some of the best active noise cancelling you can get today. They silence the world around you with an almost eerie effectiveness. The sound quality is excellent, and their smart features like Speak to Chat, which pauses your music when you start talking, feel like magic for a beginner. The companion app offers deep customization if you want it, but the default experience is still superb. The one minor hitch for beginners here is their non-folding design. Unlike many other headphones, they only swivel flat, making them slightly bulkier to stash in a bag or carry on compared to their predecessors or some competitors. Alright, we've reviewed some incredible contenders, each with their own strengths. But for the absolute beginner, the person who wants to simply put on a pair of headphones and disappear into their audio with zero fuss, there is one clear winner. And it's no surprise it comes from a brand synonymous with comfort and simplicity. And the #1 premium noise-canceling headphone for beginners in 2026, without a doubt, is the Bose QuietComfort Ultra. Bose has always excelled at delivering an effortless user experience, and the Ultra takes that to another level. The comfort is simply unrivaled. You can wear these for hours and genuinely forget they're on your head. The noise cancellation is absolutely top-tier, creating a silent sanctuary that's perfect for commuting, working, or just relaxing. What makes them perfect for beginners is their sheer simplicity, excellent physical buttons, a minimalist app if you even choose to use it, and a sound profile that's universally pleasing without needing any tweaking. You just put them on, and they work. They are the definition of set it and forget it premium audio. If I had to pick one minor flaw for a beginner, it would be that while the immersive audio feature is cool, it isn't for everyone and some beginners might find it a bit disorienting rather than enhancing, and you'll probably just stick to the superb standard listening modes. So there you have it, the best premium noise-canceling headphones of 2026, tailor-made for beginners. If any of these caught your eye, make sure to check the pinned comment and description right now for the absolute best prices and deals available. Seriously, those links are updated constantly, so don't miss out. Like this video if it helped you make a decision, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which pair you're thinking of picking up.